Hi everyone, another day here in the farm. So today in our bamboo house building, an update. They are applying Solignum on the wood. Solignum, it's to preserve the wood. Preserving the wood. I bought two kinds of Solignum, the brown one and the colorless AZ. The colorless is for the bamboo and the brown one is for the joints, the wood on the roof. Yeah. Here they are. I may have to go there so I can get a better view. Oh, it's a mess in here. I don't know if it's safe to cross here. I'll try. Find rest, my soul. There they are. How hot. I want to go up there. I'll try. There you go. I'm closer. Hi, Dan.
Hello.
Oh, hello, Ibid.
Hello, Joe. Kauban sa ibig?
Pwede tungtungan ang kuan?
Sama tayo?
Ni isa ka diha ba? Pwede na kuan na
Oo,
lang.
pwede.
Saka pa ko. Tatawa mo ha.
Tuwa, basta ka nang kahangat.
Igang dedag, hububo maka.
Parang kaya nga.
Uy, gikuan rin niya. Sig mahagbong. Gisiran, ana, gilak.
Sira na na.
Oh.
Turado.
Ikini?
Ade, ko nang kuan ba? Plywood.
Ah, plywood. Oh, di la ko motunog ang plywood. Nganong na may sin diha? Gisukod? Look how high it is. I don't know. The video doesn't do any justice. Nahuman og mating tanan. As you can see, they did all the matting today on the pillars for the terrace. Yeah. And hold on, let me get situated here. And then there, all around. Excuse me. Nakatuhop ka na? Di ra nipis? Ah.
Kuti nang dia daw.
Okay lagi. Taghag kuan, isira.
na.
Wa.
Pwede na katuntungan ba?
We're going to have a terrace on that part, on that side for the second floor. So here are the matting for the terrace. We have one, oh not the the terrace that goes around. Wala na, lagi na libang dire. Oh, wag na libang ba? That one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oops, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th, plus 2 for the terrace.
Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you!